We're talking about digital operations. I'm sure a lot of you are probably evaluating or already have evaluated multiple MDM solutions. MDM solutions are becoming the core where you need to have an MDM solution in place in order to really transform and actually effectively use your digital commerce. Then there is this content factory model. We've talked about it, and we can talk about it a little more if you get a chance to talk to us at our booth. But content factory, it's what we are seeing in the marketplace and with a lot of our customers is that they look at content as a one-time, they focus on content, creating content as a one-time activity, and then that content becomes jaded. And if content is not consistently enriched over a period of time, and you will see that your competitors are doing it much better than you are, and soon there will be a customer fatigue when they look at the same content and the way that it's leveraged and displayed and sold on your e-commerce website. So content factory is a practice where we can use technologies to consistently enrich content on a regular basis so that you have updated content on your websites which will attract customers and lead to conversions a lot better.